Hello everybody, today we are going to be making this wonderful rainbow loom bracelet. I have two colors here. It will be pink and green, light green. The outer color, or the outer layer part of the bracelet will be white. So first you start here, go all the way up. Up. Don't do the very last pin, this very last one, don't do that, do that part. Do the other side, go all the way up. All right, don't do these very last two pins. Okay, now what you're gonna do is put this right here, that. All right, now you're gonna start with your two colors. Start on the left side, okay? So first I'm going to start with pink, and I'm going to do a zigzag. It's going to be join from this pin to the middle pin, and then from the middle pin to the left pin, like that. You're going to do that constantly until the very end. Just a zigzag motion. Almost there, just need a few more. And there we are. You know how to do this part, just end like that. And then go back to the beginning and do your other color, which will be green. Then you start from the right pin and go to the middle pin. And then from the middle pin to the right pin, and like that, zigzag. Zigzag motion all the way down. Oh. Oh, this one was a little twisted. And there we are. All right, now we're ready to start looming. So now we turn. Okay, so now we're gonna do a cap band on this one. So basically a cap band is when you just fold it twice and then put it right here. to hold it in place. All right, and now here we go. We pull out the cap band and grab the very first band, not the last one, the very first one. Then pull it out of the pin. Be careful not to take off the cap band. And then just put it on this second pin right here. Do the same thing on the other one. Pull it out. Put on this second pin right here. All right. Now we're going to start with the left side. Okay. So first we grab the color from the left side, which would be green in my case. Put it right in the middle. It's gonna be a little bit loose, so same thing over here. Put it in the middle. And then what you're gonna do is, now you're gonna grab the white one and put it right here. Skip one pin and go to the next. And again on the other side. Skip this pin and go to the next. Now you're going to go in through these, which is right now difficult since it's in the very beginning, through these and grab the green one or the left side one and put it on the left pin. Go in the middle, grab the very last one, which is a pink in my case, and put it on the right pin. There we go. And then you're going to repeat that over and over. So again, go in, push out all of these bands. There's a lot of layers of bands here. Then grab the green one or the left band and then put it in the middle. Do the same thing here. Pull all these out. Ooh, having a little bit of trouble here. There we go. And grab and put it in the middle. And then grab the white one, which is at the very bottom, so a lonely band. Skip one, go to the next one. Skip one and go to the next one. There you go. And then go in the middle pin. Grab the very first one, which is the green one. For me. And then the pink one here. And the right pin. And then again, go on the left pin, grab the left color, the left band color, put it in the middle pin. Go on the right pin, grab it and put it in the middle. And then grab the very last white band or the outer layer color band and skip one pin, go to next. Do the same thing on the other side. Skip one pin, go to the next, and then go back to the middle pin, grab the very first band, put it in the left, and then the right. And that's it. You just have to repeat that process over and over again. A constant pattern. And once you practice more with it, it becomes easier. It can be a little bit confusing with the layers. Just push these out, grab the first band, put it in the middle, push out these, grab the first band, put it in the middle pin. Then this one you don't have to worry, just push out and grab the very lonely band there and just skip one pin. And again, go in the middle, push out all these layers, and then grab the very first one. So I wouldn't recommend this for a beginner because there are a lot of confusing layers. So more of an intermediate level when you're kind of used to seeing layers and looming. if you want to make it like fit your entire wrist like this, because like I showed you in the band, you have to make like a an extra part, an extra looming process, so it can fit your wrist, because this is basically just half of your wrist. Then you could use 2 looms, which I've done before. It takes longer, a little bit more difficult, yes, but comes out really cool. Almost done. Just need 2 more. And right, left, and then right. Okay, and this very last one, no need to skip a pin, just go to the next one. There you go, same thing. Then finally middle, left, middle, right, and you are done. And now all you have to do is grab these the last white band, put it in the middle, pin, same thing on the other side, doesn't matter which order. And there you are done. And so now the scary part of this is pulling it all out, because the bands are really stretched out, so it's going to be a little bit scary. Oh, if you want to, you can go ahead and like secure it. So grab the band through, and there you are. Now it's secure. And now take it out of your loom. It's going to be scary, but just pull it. And there you are. These first ones are going to be a little bit loose, but that's okay. And maybe the last one's a little bit, because you're closing it out a little bit here, but it's okay. And you can just hide them underneath in there. It's not very noticeable, and that's good. There we go. And now to make that extra layer, I mean, basically it's the simplest, I mean not extra layer, extra part. Just putting it between your 2 fingers, and then, you know, simple, the basic one. I'm gonna do with the colors, the bracelet, which are white, pink, and green. And do it so as long as it'll fit your wrist. So for me, it's usually maybe like 7 or 8 bands, but no need to do too much. I think that's good for me. Yeah. Okay. And then just grab a C-clip and just put it in. That's it. So as you can see, looks exactly like, pretty cool. And that's it for today's video. Thank you.